is so true, but it ain't new. I just wanna do right, but it's so hard. Trying to be me, follow God. Can't lie, every second, every moment I find myself trying to do wrong. I wonder why. Me, what's wrong with it? Go die with it. Till the time comes around, I walk around with it. This is the fight within, baby. Yeah, uprising. Uprising. This is good versus evil. Ongoing war that affects all people. Yeah, we're equal, following the sequel. Decision making. Some got forsaken, some got invaded. Only keep you saving. No in-between scene changes. Yeah, no offense taken. Every day I'm fighting, but I'm enlightened. There is a struggle within myself. That's neither bother no one else. For me, still born with it. Go die with it. Till the time comes around, I walk around with it. This is the fight within, baby. Yeah, uprising.